Hello guys, so last day we have already discussed about the types of chemical reactions, and our basic purpose of studying this chapter is understanding how the chemical reactions give their product, right? So हमको product निकालना है, याद नहीं करना है. So if we have to find out the products in our later lives and also definitely in our next classes like 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th, in most of the cases this chapter is going to play a very important part in your chemical life. Okay, so the first kind of reaction that we have already discussed in our last class is synthesis. What was it? Basically A plus B भाई यार चौक तो बहुत ख़राब क्वालिटी का है. A plus B gives AB. A can be an element, B also can be an element, they also can be compounds. Okay, so A plus B gives AB. This kind of reaction was called synthesis reaction. What was the other name of the reaction? It was direct combination. It was direct combination. Remember, either synthesis or direct combination. Okay, so first of all let us take some examples of this kind of reaction, which is very important. First of all, I will take an example of element plus element. Let us take one like iron plus sulfur. If you heat them, you will get a compound that is called ferrous sulfide. Very important. Why it is important? Remember, this is an insoluble salt. So if anybody asks you that name an insoluble salt which is prepared by synthesis reaction, it will be FeS. I will give you another reaction. Fe plus Cl2, heat them. Okay, both require some heat. FeCl3, please balance. Right? Now, if somebody asks you that name an soluble salt prepared by direct synthesis, here is the answer. So what happens is, suddenly while we start writing the reactions in synthesis, people tend to ask that why are we writing all these reactions? There may be many reactions that can be asked in examination. Which reaction to study, which not to study? You will study only those reactions which has some significance. So all those reactions which has some significance we are going to study. Okay? So what was this? This was two of the very important reaction. There are other reactions like, so you have written this thing. Okay. Next is, there are other reactions like combustion reaction. Combustion reaction means, so you can write combustion reactions. Combustion reaction is Na plus O2. What it will give? Do you know? Sodium oxide ही बोलोगे. See, here it can give two kinds of compounds. One is Na2O, that is sodium oxide. So you can balance this. Another is Na plus O2. It will give you Na2O2. What is Na2O2? Na2O2 is sodium peroxide. Sodium peroxide. Okay, this is also possible. It can give peroxide, it can also give oxide. So understood why I went for this reaction. Similarly, if you go for potassium, it can give three kinds of oxides. K2O, okay? 4K. Okay? This is normal oxide. Then 2K plus O2 will give you K2O2. This is potassium peroxide. Potassium peroxide. Okay, clear? Now next is, okay, another is possibility is there. K plus O2 can give you KO2 also. Now what is KO2? Question आना चाहिए ना दिमाग में. What is KO2? KO2 is potassium superoxide. शानदार कंपाउंड पोटेशियम सुपर ऑक्साइड. Why it is getting formed? First of all, why it is getting formed is a concept which you can only be clear about in class 11. ठीक है, क्योंकि पोटेशियम बड़ो एटम ताई जन्नो হয়, it can accommodate a super oxide ion where sodium cannot. So those things we will study later. Now first of all you need to know what is this peroxide ion. Peroxide ion, what is the formula of peroxide ion? O2 2 minus. This is the formula of peroxide ion. Remember this one, O2 2 minus. ठीक है, what is the formula of superoxide ion? O2 1 minus. Remember this is the formula of superoxide ion. ठीक है, so you have learned lot of combustion reaction of metals. अभी तो मेटल हुआ, 2-3 एग्जाम्पल दे दिया मेटल का, ठीक है ना. Now we are going to do some non metals. Let's see what happens with non metals. Carbon plus O2 gives CO2. Now why this reaction is important? Everybody knows about this reaction. This reaction is important because it is an exothermic reaction. Because this is an exothermic reaction, so this reaction is important, okay, because this is an exothermic reaction. Now in combustion there can be certain reaction where A plus B gives AB, where A is a compound and B is a element. This is also possible. How? CO plus O2, it will give you CO2. Compound, element, compound. Okay, so this is also important. Clear? So this is your another combustion reaction. Other than that, there are various combustion reaction in this part which I have basically omitted. S plus O2 gives SO2. This one you know. Then you can go for 4P plus 5O2 will give you 2P2O5. ठीक है, ट्राई टू डू इट योर सेल्फ. फॉस्फोरस प्लस, ये सब कैसे करते हैं? हाउ डू यू नो इट विल बी P2O5? देखो भाई, फॉस्फोरस प्लस ऑक्सीजन, ठीक है, तो क्या है, फॉस्फोरस को इधर बैठाओ, ऑक्सीजन को इधर बैठाओ. फॉस्फोरस हैज ए वेरिएबल वैलेंसी. Phosphorus can have a valency of 3, it can also have a valency of 5. Oxygen will always have 2. So if it is 3 and 2, then it's like this. So it can be P2O3. ठीक है, P2O3 पहले क्या फॉर्म करेगा? P2O3 will get formed. So 2P plus 3O2, I think 4P plus 3O2, I'll take 2P2O3. Now what happens? This P2O3 reacts with another oxygen. ठीक है, so P2O3 becomes P2O5. Now to balance it, ठीक है, clear? So this is how this one is coming. 3O2 plus 2O2, 5O2, 4P, 4P and 2P2O5. Clear or not? Shouldn't be clear so easily. Shouldn't be clear so easily. I'll just show it again. This is called addition method of doing chemical reaction. ठीक है, very important method. What happens is this phosphorus first reacts with oxygen. ठीक है, जैसे हम दिखाया 2P plus 3O2 will give you 2P2O3. 2P2O3. ठीक है, 2P plus 3O2 will give you 2P2O3. Next is 2P2O3. Whatever P2O3 is getting formed, I'll react it with 2O2, will give you 2P2O5. Now I'll add this. ठीक है, so this is getting formed, this is getting used up. Here I am with, here there will be 4P, sorry, I am with 4P plus 3 plus 2O2 will give you 5O2 and you will get answer as 2P2O5. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा समझ में आया? थोड़ा थोड़ा. We'll do many reactions like this. We are not going to remember reactions. We are going to add, subtract, like mathematics, simultaneous linear equations. You are going through that chapter, right? So, and we are going to finish all these things. Okay, anything else? Yes, there are a lot of things left. That is in case of another type of reaction, A plus B gives AB if A and B both are compounds. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. How? See, there are certain things that is called acidic oxides. Acidic oxides. If you add them with water, it will give you acids. ठीक है, इट विल गिव यू एसिड्स. एसिडिक ऑक्साइड मतलब SO2, एसिडिक ऑक्साइड मतलब SO3, एसिडिक ऑक्साइड मतलब CO2. ठीक है, सो एड देम विथ वाटर, व्हाट हैपेंस? SO2 acidic oxide reacting with water will give you H2SO3, addition reaction. This one H2O plus SO3 will give you H2SO4. Next addition reaction, CO2 plus H2O will give you H2CO3. ठीक है, so these are all acids and these are acidic oxides. So what happens if I say you acids minus water? What does this give you? It gives me acidic oxide. Acidic oxides. Sometimes I can say these acidic oxides are basically acid से if you take water out of the acid, you will get acidic oxide. So we also say them acid anhydrides. Acid anhydrides. ठीक है, clear? Acid anhydrides. ठीक है. So another thing we have learned at this moment. Okay, this is acidic oxide हो गया. Now we'll just change it to basic oxides. CaO, CaOH whole twice. ठीक है, base, basic oxides plus water will give you base. ठीक है, anything Na2O, 2NaOH, base. ठीक है, clear? K2O, 2KOH, base. What are these things called then? What are these things called? क्या हुआ? Basic anhydride. Basic anhydride. Why? Take water out of this base, you will get this basic anhydride. Clear है? Huh? So another kind of reactions also we have done in compound plus compound. Please copy all these things. Very important things we are learning right now. Only in synthesis, if you see, only in synthesis we are learning so many things, right? Now the next part is A plus B, AB हो गया, compound का. अच्छा, another important reaction, NH3 plus HCl will give you NH4Cl. Why I am studying this? Why I am suddenly studying this? This is a reversible reaction. Let me say you, this is a reversible reaction. Number 1 point, why I am studying this. Next, this gives you observation, dense white fumes. This gives you observation, dense white fumes. Clear? NH3 plus HCl, NH4Cl, very important reaction. Observation वाला reaction कुछ भी हो, that is very important. ठीक है? Okay. This is important also, but I will not take that. Okay. Another 2-3 important reactions are there which we are going to complete right now. Another very important reaction in which element and element reacts is N2 plus 3H2 iron is catalyst. You have to write finely divided iron. Finely divided iron is catalyst. Molybdenum is promoter. ठीक है, temperature in this reaction is 450 to 500 degree Celsius. Temperature, pressure is 200 to 900 atmosphere. it forms ammonia, NH3. This process is used for industrial manufacture of ammonia and it is called Haber's process. Okay? Please write it down, lot of things are there, very important reaction. It is an exothermic reaction plus heat. Okay? Learnt a lot of things only in synthesis reaction. Okay? Only in synthesis reaction we have learnt a lot of things. Lead sulfide reacts with oxygen to form PbSO4. Why important? Because lead sulfide is black and this is white and this forms a precipitate. That's why it is important. So there is a color change, the reaction becomes important. Okay? Simple addition reaction, nothing else. Okay? So everything clear? Synthesis हो गया, बहुत reactions किए, ठीक है, क्लियर है. अच्छा एक चीज़ बताओ यार, ये N2 + 3H2 देके NH3 क्यों आया? देखो, when you are reacting with nitrogen and hydrogen and you know there is addition product that is going to get formed. Nitrogen is having valency of 3, hydrogen is having valency of 1, so it becomes NH3. After that you just balance. ठीक है? So this kind of things you need to practice lot. Okay, if you don't practice by writing then things will not work. लिखना पड़ेगा, क्वेश्चन आंसर करना पड़ेगा, उसके बाद फल मिलेगा, जरूर मिलेगा. ठीक है? So this is all about synthesis reaction that is required up to class 9th and 10th level. ठीक है? Whatever I have taught today, please write it down and try to practice this time and time again. What will happen then? You will get used to this kind of reaction and things are going to become easy for you. Let me say you this thing. ठीक है? Because after this we are going to go for decomposition reaction in the next video. So that will be big. Synthesis बहुत छोटा था, फिर भी इतना मिनट चला गया, but that will be big. ठीक है? So धीरे धीरे करो, ज़्यादा जल्दी नहीं है, but do it. Hi guys, I hope you have gone through the synthesis reactions. Now it is our next part. It will be a little big, but it is extremely interesting part, that is decomposition. जो बड़ा है इसका मतलब वो नहीं है कि वो कठिन है. Many times we have seen that a problem which looks very big can be answered in only 2 or 3 steps, which is most of the case, to be very honest. ठीक है? So we are going to start with a new part that is called decomposition reaction. Decomposition means basically breaking of a compound into 2 simpler substances. Breaking of a compound into 2 simpler substances. That means an AB, which is definitely a compound, will break into A plus B. Now the question is, this A plus B is element or compound? I don't know. It may be an element or compound. Both is possible. A and B can be element, can be compound. So we are going to see all these cases. Element है, compound है, क्या है, ना है, everything. Let me recapitulate what I have already taught. Decomposition can be brought about by so many physical parameters. That is, if it is brought about by heat, the decomposition is called thermal decomposition. ठीक है? Like I'll give you an example for that. Let's take ZnCO3 gives ZnO plus CO2. ठीक है? Thermal decomposition. The decomposition of zinc carbonate is brought about by heat. ठीक है? Next, it can be brought about by electricity. In those cases, which is generally called electrolysis. ठीक है? Example, well, acidified water, if you electrolyze it, it will give you hydrogen plus oxygen. This can be photochemical decomposition when, if it is brought about by light, it is photochemical decomposition. It can happen in case of, well, we have already done this, right? AgNO3. Just give some light to it. We write it H nu, you can write it UV also, okay? So this will give you Ag plus NO2 plus O2. Okay, you can balance it out. ठीक है, फोटोकेमिकल हो सकता है, हीट हो सकता है, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी हो सकता है, साउंड इज ऑल्सो पॉसिबल. ठीक, साउंड देके भी आप कर सकते हो बिकॉज दैट इज ऑल्सो एन एनर्जी. ठीक है, क्लियर? ओके, सम ऑफ द डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शंस आर डेफिनेटली योर रिवर्सिबल टाइप्स. लाइक इफ यू गो फॉर HgO, it is reversible. ठीक है, some of the decomposition is reversible types. Like I'll go for another one, NH4Cl. This type of decomposition reaction, that is thermal decomposition reaction, definitely this is a thermal decomposition reaction brought about by heat, is basically also called, another term is there before explaining that. See, this kind of decomposition reaction can brought about by application of heat. Whenever you cool it, the previous compound comes back. So this kind of decomposition reaction is called thermal dissociation. So any decomposition reaction, you please write it down, any decomposition reaction which is reversible and can be reversed by either applying heat or by cooling it is called thermal dissociation reaction. Clear? एग्जाम्पल में ये लग दो. ठीक है, if the decomposition is brought about by heat, it is called thermal decomposition definitely, but it is also called thermolysis. Lysis means breaking. Thermal मतलब heat देके breaking, that is why it is called thermolysis. Clear? I'll drop this. So first hand we have given you the basic understanding of decomposition reaction. Now before going into more of decomposition, what we need to know is the metal activity series. क्या है ये metal activity series? Some of you may have studied it in class 8, but first of all you need to know what is this activity series. See, metals react with oxygen in air, we know that. Now definitely different kind of metals react in a different kind of way with air. ठीक है, if you put sodium here, sodium is going to burn, it is going to burn directly. Okay, that means it reacts with air very vigorously, okay, but, or you can say explosively. But if you take an iron, you cannot see it reacting in air, you can see some rust getting formed after maybe some months, so the reaction is not fast. ठीक है, so based on this rate of reactivities, some of the important elements or important metals are classified into a series, so that by remembering the series I can identify which metal is going to react faster than which one. ठीक है, now please note that this activity series is very important to remember. Okay, this activity series is very important to remember, so I try to give you a certain way so that you can remember. Otherwise you can use mnemonics by yourself, don't take anyone else's mnemonics, because जो अपने आप से बनाया हुआ होता है वो सारा जिंदगी याद रहता है. Now let us go for metal activity series. K potassium, Na sodium, Ca कैल्शियम, ठीक है। Mg मैग्नीशियम, Al एल्यूमिनियम, Zn जिंक, आयरन, Fe, Sn टीन, Pb lead, हाइड्रोजन, Cu, Hg, Ag, Au, Pt, ठीक है। Which is at the bottom? Which is at the bottom? Platinum. Just above it gold, just above it silver. Please ask your mother right now. You can ask your mother right now, which is most costly? Platinum. Cost of platinum is more than gold, more than silver. Why? Metal activity series. How? See, all these metals, these ones react in air, they get consumed, ठीक है। While you talk about this platinum, they are not going to react in air, they are not going to get consumed, so they have least affinity towards oxygen. Oxygen को पसंद नहीं, they don't want to react with anybody. So metals which doesn't want to react with anybody, that means it will maintain its own shine or luster. Luster means glowingness, understood? Glowingness, जो ज़्यादा चमकता है, যেটা বেশি চমকায় সেটা হলো বেশি লাস্টারাস। তো প্ল্যাটিনাম খুব চমকায়, কেন চমকায়? কারণ হাওয়ার এয়ারের সাথে বা অক্সিজেনের সাথে রিয়াকশান করে না, রিয়াকশান যদি না করে অক্সাইড ফর্ম হবে না, অক্সাইড যদি না ফর্ম হয় উপরে কোনো কালো কি নোংরা কিচ্ছু লাগবে না, একদম পরিষ্কার থাকবে। and that is why platinum is having the highest cost. It doesn't get consumed. gold and silver, सिल्वर थोड़ा बहुत रिएक्शन करता है, गोल्ड एकदम नहीं करता है, ठीक है। दैट इज वाई गोल्ड इज मच मोर कॉस्टलियर देन सिल्वर। क्लियर है? चलो तुम्हारा बहुत दिन का एक डाउट तो क्लियर कर दिया है। वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट मिस्ट्री इन द यूनिवर्स इज सॉल्व टुडे है। प्लेटिनम मोर कॉस्टली देन गोल्ड, मोर कॉस्टली देन सिल्वर, ठीक है। क्लियर? इसको लेकर आलोचना करना घर में। अच्छा, नाउ द मोस्ट एक्टिव मेटल इज डेफिनेटली द पोटेशियम, मोस्ट एक्टिव मेटल। सिमिलरली देर इज डेफिनेटली अनदर सीरीज फॉर योर नॉन मेटल्स, ठीक है। नॉन मेटल्स के लिए भी सीरीज है। सो फॉर दैट यू कैन राइट डाउन SO4 2 minus, not exactly for non-metals, for radicals, for radicals, radicals के लिए सीरीज है SO4 2 minus, NO3 minus, Cl minus, Br minus, I minus, OH minus, ठीक है। This is the most reactive one, this is the least one. Clear? But mostly we are going to study about this. So what we have learnt at this moment about this metal activity series, which is at the top of the metal activity series. Top of the metal activity series is going to have highest affinity for oxygen, is going to react with anything it gets, right? So potassium, highly reactive metal. Platinum, unreactive metal. It can be called as an inert metal altogether. It doesn't react. Why? ठीक है, platinum doesn't react. Now we are going, why we are studying all these things? Because we are going to understand decomposition reaction. Decomposition means breaking of compounds into simpler substances. So you have to take some classes of compounds, right? So first of all we are going to take oxides. Oxides, ठीक है। So if you take potassium oxide, it will be like K2O, Na2O, CaO, MgO, Al2O3, ZnO, Fe2O3. This can be well SNO, ठीक है। SNO2 भी होता है, ठीक है। Like this one can also be FeO, okay। PbO, H2O, ठीक है। CuO, all these compounds that I have written right now, ठीक है, ऑल दिस कंपाउंड दैट आई हैव रिटन राइट नाउ आर स्टेबल टू हीट, हीट देने से कुछ नहीं होगा, it will remain as it is. So these are stable to heat. So potassium to copper is stable to heat, it is not going to decompose by heat. ठीक है, clear? Now next, HgO, Ag2, these are not stable to heat. This is going to break up into the metal plus oxygen. This is unstable in heat, because see, whenever you go down the activity series, then what happens, these metals are not very affine towards oxygen, this doesn't get attracted towards oxygen. ठीक है, oxide बना लिया, whenever they make oxides, if you put a little bit of energy, it is going to break down into normal metal and oxygen separate. Okay, why? Because they don't want oxygen with them. हो गया, थोड़ा सा एनर्जी दोगे तो टूट जाएगा, वो बंधन ज़्यादा प्यार का बंधन नहीं है, ठीक है, थोड़ा सा एनर्जी मारोगे तो टूट जाएगा, ठीक है, तो झगड़ा वाला रिलेशनशिप है, थोड़ा सा एनर्जी मारोगे तो टूट जाएगा, ये भी वैसा ही है। और इसका क्या होगा, गोल्ड एंड प्लेटिनम, अरे भाई दे डोंट रिएक्ट विथ ऑक्सीजन, सो देयर इज नो पॉइंट ऑफ थर्मल डिकम्पोजिशन ऑफ देम। ठीक है, क्लियर है, हो गया। चलो नेक्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी अबाउट hydroxides. We are going to study about hydroxides. So in case of hydroxides, potassium and sodium hydroxide, that is KOH and NaOH is stable to heat. KOH and NaOH is stable to heat. ठीक है, पोटेशियम एंड सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड इज स्टेबल टू हीट। ठीक है, कैल्शियम से, फ्रॉम कैल्शियम टू कॉपर, it gives this kind of reaction. If you heat them, it will give you oxide plus water. ठीक है, for all these hydroxides. So you start doing reactions of all the hydroxides. चलो सबका हाइड्रोक्साइड लिखते हैं, कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, ठीक है, नेक्स्ट मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, मैग्नीशियम वैलेंसी 2, ठीक है, नेक्स्ट एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, वैलेंसी कितना है एल्यूमिनियम का, 3, ठीक है, लिखो सब लिखो। नेक्स्ट आयरन हाइड्रोक्साइड, वेरिएबल वैलेंसी होता है आयरन का, एक FeOH होल ट्वाइस हो सकता है, it can also be FeOH whole thrice. Next SnOH whole twice हो सकता है, it can also be SnOH whole 4. ठीक है, lead hydroxide PbOH whole twice हो सकता है, it can also be PbOH whole 4. Most cases this is the compound, this is rarely formed. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट हाइड्रोजन का क्या, हाइड्रोक्साइड वाटर ही होगा। चलो कॉपर हाइड्रोक्साइड CuOH होल ट्वाइस। ठीक है, ऑल हाइड्रोक्साइड्स आर डन, क्लियर, ऑल हाइड्रोक्साइड्स आर डन। नेक्स्ट मरकरी से, ठीक है, Ag2PT, no hydroxides are generally formed, no hydroxides, they don't form any hydroxides. ठीक है, they don't form any hydroxides, clear है। लिख लो यार। सो अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑल दिस थिंग्स, समझ में आ रहा है, नॉट मच हार्ड, ओके, इट्स वेरी इजी, बट याद रखना, ये याद रखना पड़ेगा। कैसे याद रखोगे, छोटा छोटा पार्ट, देखो जब कोई चीज़ बड़ा होता है यू मस्ट हैव टू ब्रेक दिस इनटू small part. So how do I do it? How do I do it? I divide it like this and make it a poem. A poem of 1 2 3 4 5, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, पैराग्राफ्स। ठीक है, कुछ दूसरा बोलते हैं पोएम के लिए, मालूम नहीं, याद भूल गया KNaCA बोलो, KNaCA MgAlZnFe, KNaCA MgAlZnFe हो गया। SnPb KNaCA MgAlZnFe SnPb, HCU KNaCA MgAlZnFe SnPb HCU, HgAgAuPt, ठीक है। फिर से KNaCA MgAlZnFe SnPb HCU, HgAgAuPt। बस, अरे 5 बार बोल लो, खत्म हो जाएगा, ठीक है। 5 times you recite like this, everything will be done, ठीक है भाई। तो हाइड्रोक्साइड तो हो गया, नाउ वी हैव टू गो फॉर कार्बोनेट्स, ठीक है। Now we are going for carbonates. Potassium and sodium, that is K2CO3 and Na2CO3. These two are stable to heat. That means it doesn't break on heating. स्टेबल टू हीट, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट, कैल्शियम टू कॉपर ऑक्साइड प्लस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड। आई शो वन रिएक्शन, you need to do all the reactions, you need to do all the reaction. I'll show you why. I'll take an important reaction over here, ZnCO3. I take it time and again. It's a white color substance. You heat it, it will give you ZnO plus CO2, oxide plus carbon dioxide. This ZnO is yellow when hot, white when cold, ठीक है। yellow when hot, white when cold. Next, another important one is PbCO3. I can take PbCO3, lead oxide plus your CO2, ठीक है। दिस इज नॉर्मली येलो, नो हॉट कोल्ड वाला कुछ नहीं है, ठीक है। सी वी आर डूइंग लॉट ऑफ रिएक्शंस नाउ विथ सम ऑब्जर्वेशंस. ऑब्जर्वेशंस आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एनीथिंग वी कैन एल्स वी कैन टेक? यस, CuCO3 हिट करो, क्या निकलता है? CuO प्लस CO2. वाई इंपॉर्टेंट? दिस इज ग्रीन, दिस इज ब्लैक. इंपॉर्टेंट, इसके लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है, ठीक है। एंड CO2 जहाँ जहाँ पे निकलता है, wherever CO2 is getting evolved, it gives an observation of, remember this word, brisk effervescence. अरे याद करने के लिए बोल रहे हो क्या? brisk effervescence नहीं यार, कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स का बॉटल खोलो, बुश, दैट इज brisk effervescence. क्लियर है? नहीं क्लियर है तो खरीद के खोलो यार, खरीदो 10 रुपया दे के खोलो, ठीक है। ओके, नेक्स्ट इज कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट हो गया। नहीं, कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट ठीक है, कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट ज़रूरत नहीं, ईजी है। बाकी कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट है कार्बोनेट्स का मोरलेस, ठीक है। बट यू डू ऑल द रिएक्शंस, ठीक है। कैल्शियम टू कॉपर कार्बोनेट, डू ऑल द रिएक्शंस ऑन हीट. नाउ माय क्वेश्चन इज K2CO3 and Na2CO3 is stable to heat. Now if I want to decompose this, then how do I decompose this? What we do is K2CO3 plus I give some dilute acids. Remember, any carbonates, this is another type of reaction we are going to study here. Any carbonates plus dilute acids will give you salt KCl, ठीक है, प्लस CO2, ठीक है, प्लस H2O. क्लियर? क्लियर है भाई? तो क्या देता है? सॉल्ट प्लस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड प्लस वाटर, ठीक है। एनी कार्बोनेट्स, सिमिलरली एनी बाइकार्बोनेट्स गिव्स द सेम थिंग, KCl प्लस वाटर प्लस CO2, ऑलरेडी बैलेंस्ड, ठीक है। Now action of heat on bicarbonates. I'll show one, everything else will be same. NaHCO3, ठीक है? You heat it, it will give you carbonate plus CO2 plus water, ठीक है? Balanced है. For calcium bicarbonate or you take sodium bicarbonate, same reaction will be there. No need to think about it again. Now definitely up to copper carbonate. So here we have discussed calcium to copper carbonate. It will give oxide plus CO2 for carbonates. From calcium to copper carbonates, it will give you oxide plus CO2. What is after that? Hg and Ag क्या हो जाएगा? Hg and Ag. See beta, HgCO3 also you react in the same way. You make it HgO and CO2. Now you already know this HgO breaks up into Hg plus O2. ठीक है? So if you balance this, this will be like this, right? So 2 HgO will come. So what will happen? You can multiply this total reaction with 2. So what happens then? I can write this reaction like this also, though they will call me it's overbalancing, but for addition it is important. So this part and this part cancel out. Why? Because this HgO was formed and this HgO is taken out. So 2 HgCO3 gives 2 Hg plus 2 CO2 plus O2. So in case of mercury, that is Hg and Ag, both the cases you can remember this as for mercury and Ag carbonates, if you heat them it will give you metal plus CO2 plus O2, ठीक है? For mercury and Ag it is metal plus CO2 plus O2. क्लियर है? हो गया? सो कार्बोनेट्स कंप्लीट हो गया. ठीक से करो, सबको प्रैक्टिस करना है. एवरीबडी प्लीज प्रैक्टिस. इफ यू डोंट प्रैक्टिस, जस्ट लिसनिंग टू लेक्चर एंड टेकिंग नोट्स विल नॉट हेल्प. टेकिंग नोट्स तो मस्ट है, उसके बाद प्रैक्टिस भी करना पड़ेगा बहुत. ये अगर एक बार प्रैक्टिस कर लिया ना, बहुत प्रॉब्लम का समाधान हो जाएगा. चलो नेक्स्ट इज नाइट्रेट्स. Another important part. Why important? For potassium nitrate and sodium nitrate, it will give you nitrite plus oxygen. ठीक है? Important. Very important. Next, from magnesium to copper, sorry, from calcium to copper, it will give you oxide plus NO2 plus oxygen. Let's see, let's take one important one. I'll take zinc oxide, zinc carbonate का करा दिया, ज़रूरत नहीं है. lead nitrate, very important, white colored salt. हीट करो, 2 PbO yellow precipitate, 4 NO2 sorry plus O2. ठीक है? important है बहुत कुछ. please study all these things very well. do for copper nitrate also. ठीक है? copper nitrate is also important. copper nitrate is a blue colored salt. when you heat it, it will give you black color copper oxide plus 4 NO2 plus O2. ठीक है? clear? For what happens for Hg and Ag? कुछ होता है क्या? होता है ज़रूर. लेट्स गो फॉर AgNO3 दिस टाइम. Hg का तो लास्ट टाइम किया था ना. AgNO3, you first heat it. It will give you Ag2O plus NO2 plus O2. ठीक है. I think it is balanced now. Okay, so ठीक है. So this Ag2O is unstable, we know. So 2Ag2O will again break up to get you 4Ag plus O2. जोक करो, कैंसिल करो. 4AgNO3 on heating will give you 4Ag plus 4NO2 plus 2O2. Overbalanced है ना. So we'll write it like this. 2AgNO3, I'll divide everything by 2, will give you 2Ag plus 2NO2 plus O2. ठीक है. So this is the reaction. So in case of Hg and Ag, it is metal plus NO2 plus oxygen. ऑब्जर्वेशन क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है? सॉलिड का तो कलर इंपॉर्टेंट है, ठीक है, बट दिस वन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ओवर हियर. वेयर एवर देयर इज नाइट्रेट्स, इफ यू सी, except potassium and sodium nitrate, wherever there was nitrate, this NO2 part was there, right? So this NO2 is reddish brown gas. So this will come as a part of observation. Reddish brown gas, it will come as a part of observation. Clear है? Everybody clear? ऑब्जर्वेशन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. तो देखो ये जो डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन है, दिस इज़ वेरी बिग पार्ट. You can understand lot of reactions we are doing, but if you go step by step, no need to hurry. If you want to take 2 weeks on decomposition reaction, I don't have any problem. Take your time. Okay, लेकिन syllabus भी ख़त्म करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है. Okay, next is certain other important reactions are there which I want to complete in decomposition, like ammonium dichromate. This is a orange colored compound, orange powder will be there, ठीक है. If you heat it, it gives you N2 plus Cr2O3 plus 4H2O. This is green, ठीक है. Very nice experiment this one. They will give you an orange colored compound like this. You just put a flame onto it and it will give you green volcano. Okay, it will just look like a volcano and this powder is going to change to green color. Okay, it will just react so fast. It will look like a volcano. The lava is coming out like that sort of a thing. Fire is coming out from it. Basically it is going to burn from within and this total orange is going to change to the color of the board that you are seeing right now. So sometimes we used to call in our childhood days this as a volcano experiment, because I was lucky. I will name the teacher, definitely you should. So I was lucky that Mr. Kurian George showed us this experiment in the laboratory in school. So he was ex-teacher of JDS. I thank him. He was a confident person, very confident person, and he showed us this thing. I remember. ये वाला और लेड नाइट्रेट को हीट करके क्या होगा वाला, वो दो हमको दिखाया था, मेरे को याद है अभी भी. वो दिखाया था इसीलिए दिखा था. और एक दिखाया था, और एक वो है ये वाला CuSO4.5H2, कॉपर सल्फेट 5H2. थोड़ा सा हीट करोगे, so you will get CuSO4 plus 5H2. So what happens here? This is a blue crystalline salt. It changes to white amorphous powder. Don't miss this point. People say the color changes from blue to white. No guys, the color changes from blue crystalline solid to white amorphous powder. This makes the answer complete. Okay? So write it that way whenever it is asked. Okay? There are certain reactions like this. N2O4. This is thermal dissociation reaction. Okay? If you heat it and if you cool it. Okay? NO2, 2NO2. Okay? Whenever you heat this compound, it will give you NO2. Okay? You cool it, it will again give you N2O4. So this is one kind of dimer. Dimer means two molecules forming a single molecule. Okay? Dimerization it is called. Okay? You are going to learn all those things later on. Any other important reactions? Well, yes, there is another one. Lead. What is this? Pb3O4. They call it red lead. They call it red lead. When you heat this red lead, it forms 6 PbO plus O2. This is yellow. So color changes from red to yellow. Okay? How this reaction happens? How this compound gets formed here? Pb, oxygen, Pb can be 2, oxygen can be 2, so PbO can be formed, and Pb can be 4, oxygen can be 2, so in this case PbO2 can be formed. But where from this Pb3O4 came about? Take 2 PbO, okay, take 2 PbO and a PbO2, try to add 2 Pb plus Pb, so Pb3, 2O and 2O, that is O4. So this is basically this compound. Okay, so this nomenclature that they show is actually wrong. Okay, this is basically addition compound. These are called addition compound. Two compounds stay together, nothing else. So guys, that's it from my end. For all kinds of, more or less we have covered all kinds of decomposition reaction. Take your time, write the notes from each and every point discussed in this lecture. Do write notes from your textbook.